Alright, bro. You ready for this duels?
To win, nigga.
Hell yeah, we're finna win. Take it up. How many kills you want to get, bro?
60.
Shit. Damn. Alright, let's get it then. Let's see who's better at duels. Soccer skins. Mexico.
I want to get 120 kills.
What? Wait, what?
I want to get 120 kills.
Damn. Jeez. Mexico. Rockin' Mexico.
Hey, how you leveling me?
Cause I'm the best.
Shit, nigga, you lost twice. Shut up.
Nah, fam.
You got pickaxe.
Damn. We're both soccer skins. Who's the best soccer skin? Who's the best fucking Mexican soccer skin? Who's the best one?
Nigga, I'm the best one. Nigga, you got pickaxe.
Hey, look at this dude. Alright.
He's shy.
Yup. Yes, sir. The OG duo is back. How you feeling, bro? About the OG duo.
Oh, let's see if we get it done right now.
Yup. Let's see if we can get one.
Got to.
Yeah, we have to. It's a must. It's a must. Only good at creative. Keep the same energy. Alright, yo, let's get it. I'm gonna drop like what? 15 bomb here. Watch. 15 bomb in this room.
I can feel getting pickaxe on your screen.
This guy.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
Apologize to your people, guys.
What? Cause your ass at Fortnite?
Nigga, you got pickaxe. Quiet.
Okay. Hey, land in this building right here. I'm gonna land right there. Damn, keep the same energy then.
Well, there's not even guns here.
Damn, that sucks. Bro has COVID? You have COVID? COVID?
I've been getting better now because I was sick like that.
Yeah, COVID, huh?
You know, it's because I ate your mama on the street and coochie steak.
Pause, bro. Family friendly. Family friendly. Friendly. I got a shotgun, bro. On me. You know what it is, you know what I'm saying? Come on, key. Alright.
I got minis on it.
Yeah, I'm good. Hey, there's a team on me though.
Hold up. I don't even have a shotgun. I'm an asshole with this.
I'm not gonna lie, both shotguns I'm pretty good with, bro. No cap. Cause I'm the best. They're around here, bro. On top.
I'm going.
Yeah, they're on top. On top.
Let me get a shotgun. Hurry up. Come over here. Come to me.
Hold on. I got minis. You want minis?
I'm good.
Alright. I got splashes on me.
I'm good.
Alright.
I need a shotgun. That's what I need.
There's that one right there.
people.
Where?
On your steps.
Alright. How many kills you have?
30.
This dude is lying. Apart from being nasty, he lies. Damn, that's crazy. In 2025, 2024, damn, that's crazy. Crazy life.
Crazy motherfuckers.
Hey, team right here, I think. Yeah, there's nobody. Never mind. Alright, I got splashes.
I can't count no way.
Alright, I bet.
There's nobody.
Oh, I bet. Wait, where's the car? Where's the car? Oh, yeah, right there, right there.
Wheel.
Oh, shit. Hey, people behind us, people behind us. Laser, laser, laser. Right here, right here, right here. Right here. Hey, get inside here, get inside here. I'm here. You full of mats or not?
I'm around now. I'm like 500.
Alright, bet. Hey, right here. 32? No mats. I got no mats, bro. Hey, I got no mats.
The roof.
Yeah, no.
Watch out on the roof. Watch out on the roof.
Hey, let's dip. Oh. Ah. Damn it. I'm knocked. Fuck.
Just keep walking out.
Yeah, no.
Are they on you?
No, I'm safe. I'm chilling. Hey, let's just dip. Let's not fight this because I don't got mats. I run out of mats hella fast. Yup. Appreciate it.
They're carrying you real quick.
By 1 kill. By 1 kill, bro. Chill out. Talk to me when you have like more than 5 kills. Oh, medkit. I'm a heal. Oh, they're right there. Chill. Don't fight. Oh, let's go.
Wanna take the car?
Yeah, let's go.
Go straight to other place. Yes.
Yeah, they're right there. Yeah, we're dipping. We're dipping.
So straight where we're safe, like right here.
I know. I know. Oh, hey, let's take the car. Let's take this car. This one's faster. Get in. Get in. Are they behind us or not? Nah. Let's loot up.
You gotta get mad because you know how they're gonna get us.
Oh, yeah. I need to get mats, yeah.
Come here, come here. Hurry up.
Alright. Let's dip. Let's dip.
Oh shit, I think they're coming here. Hurry up.
Right.
Go where I marked.
Alright. Yeah, snow for high ground. People right here. But we're not gonna fight. We're gonna dip. We're gonna dip. Alright then. Knocked him. Got him. Hey, let me get the mats though, cause I don't got mats. Good shit. Fat ass took everything. Look at this guy. I only got 40 mats. It's all good though.
Come here.
Let's go. Alright, let's just farm mats. I'm full on wood. Yeah, what's your loadout, bro? What kind of loadout you have? Uh-huh.
A shotgun and a... I got one thing right here.
A shotgun and what else?
And this gun, that's it.
Oh, nice. You only got like a shotgun and then the AR thing.
Oh,
Hey, let's go to the snow. Let's get in the car. Oh, yo. Oh no, this one. Fuck. Get out the fucking way. Hey, it's right here, bro. Your waypoint's right here. It's right here, bro. It's right here, bro. The where you said to go.
they're doing this. Oh, wait, one of those cabins.
Get in. Get in, bro. We'll go faster. I got the boost. Oh, yup.
People.
Oh, yeah. Motherfucker, every time I use that gun. He's running. Knocked him.
Come here.
Oh, yup. Oh, yup.
Take this. Let's go faster.
I know, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dude, I'm sad. Before a match?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here, here, here.
Let's go. Where are we going though?
What the fuck? I can't edit that. Let's go where you marked on the pink.
Where?
It's like,
Over there?
yeah, yeah, over there. Let's just walk it, cause yeah.
Who's this?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Everywhere now, everywhere now. Alright. Hey, reload your guns too.
I'm already here, bitch. Hey, I think I'm doing it. Oh, people, you see?
People or not?
Yeah, there's people.
Alright. Nice. I know, I'm right here, I'm right here, I'm right here, I'm right here. Yes, sir. Okay, okay, bro has 3 kills. Alright, alright. Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here. Yeah, 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 yeah. The OG duo is back.
I'm going to the road, see if I see people.
Yeah, that's where I'm going to.
Damn, that's high guy right there.
Oh, yo, we got high ground. Oh, we should have been up there, bro. We should go. We should go over here.
Right there?
Oh no, but that's out of almost out of circle.
Over there?
Yeah, let's just sit here for a bit though.
I got a sniper. You got a sniper?
Nah, I don't have a sniper.
I think you're somewhere. Oh, we got a did. Let's go get the high ground down there? Oh, we probably over there.
Oh, damn. I think our best option is to go on top of this mountain right there. Look. Hey, look, look, look. Oh, we need to go on top of the mountain right there. Let's get it. I think there's people.
Going up, over here.
Alright, let's get high ground. We can laser them from on top. Yeah, cause they're coming up here.
Go, 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 go.
No! Ah, yup. Oh yeah, and we got a jump, bro. And we got a jump pad too, bro. We're chilling.
Hey, we're set. We're set. Ready, let me. Ready? Ready?
Where?
Let him sit. Let him sit. Let him sit.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Stop him, stop him.
Oh, he killed him. This guy killed him.
Okay, 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 okay.
Oh, damn, he tagged me.
Damn.
Watch out with the side. Watch out with the side. sniper. I can only hit him. I can only hit him.
There's 3 people left.
Where are they?
I don't know. There's one right here. Yeah, one right here. One here. Hey, team right here. Team right here. Team right here.
Where's the red guy? The guy.
I don't know. I don't know.
Right here.
Nineteen 38.
Oh shit! I got sniped.
Bro, be careful. Don't peek.
You got a medkit?
No, I don't have one. There's a 2v2.
We gotta go to them though. That's the thing. Shoot the wall. I'm not trying to shoot them. Shoot the wall. Shoot the wall.
Alright, don't peek. Nice.
They're gonna try to go up. They're gonna try to go up.
Hey, don't go up. Don't waste your mats. Don't waste your mats.
They're right here. They're right here. They're right here. They're right here.
Hey, let's take the jump pad.
26. Right here down. They're right there. They're right there. They're peeking over here. You see them?
Nah. Oh yeah. What? 120.
Nice.
Knocked. 1v1. You got him?
76. Fuck. Dude, res him. Res me.
I can't. I'm out. I'm going right here. How you going right here?
Alright.
Where's teammate?
Watch out, they got a sniper. Watch out. It's only 1v1.
Where is he?
Nigga, he's behind you. Why is he gonna be there? He's gonna snipe you. He's over there.
Dude, what the fuck is this fucking shit right here? Alright.
You're not gonna die. Just let you slide. Don't stand still.
Oh, yep. Okay. Let's see. Circle's right over there.
What are you doing? Blood!
Where?
He's in front of you. Right there.
Oh, fuck!